In this lesson, we will be solving problems using a bar modeling process. The problems you will do today will be all part-whole problems with one-digit numbers. Bob ate 4 cookies. Ann ate 5 cookies. How many cookies were eating? Here's our first problem. Bob ate 4 cookies. Ann ate 5 cookies. How many cookies were eaten? For this problem, we are going to show a part-whole bar model, which means I'm going to have 2 bars. The top bar will represent the whole. And for this problem, I don't know how many cookies they were eaten altogether, so that is my unknown. I do know that Bob ate some cookies. Bob ate 4 cookies. Ann also ate cookies. Her bar's a little bit larger because she ate 1 more cookie. She ate 5 cookies. What I want to know is how many cookies were eaten. So to solve this problem, I need to add 4 plus 5, and I get 9. My answer is 9 cookies. Now here's the next problem. On this problem, I'm going to stop the video and you can try to solve it with a bar model. The store sold 4 books on Friday and 6 books on Saturday. How many books were sold altogether? Pause the video and draw a bar model to represent this problem. Okay, how'd you do? You should have drawn a top bar to represent the whole. And again, on this bar model problem, we don't know how many books were sold altogether. So the top bar will have a question mark. Books were sold on Friday and Saturday. 4 books were sold on Friday. 6 books were sold on Saturday. So if I want to know how many books were sold altogether, I would simply add 4 plus 6 and get 10. 10 books were sold altogether. How'd you do? Let's go on to the next problem. This one is a little different. See if you can figure out how to solve it. The team scored 9 goals. 3 goals were scored in the first half. How many goals were scored in the second half? Pause the video and draw a bar model. Okay, let's see how you did. Like I said before, this is a little different. It's different because we know the whole this time. The top bar, which represents the whole, is 9. The team scored 9 goals in all. There were goals scored in the first half and goals scored in the second half. 3 goals were scored in the first half. We don't know how many goals were scored in the second half, so that's where our question mark goes. Now, to solve this problem, that's the first half, that's the second half. To solve this problem for the unknown, the operation is subtraction. When you subtracted that, 9 minus 3, you got 6 goals. So the answer is there were 6 goals scored in the second half. Try this next problem. It's similar to the last one. Pause the video and make a bar model. Pat had 8 pets. 3 were cats. The rest were fish. How many fish did Pat own? All right. Did you draw your top bar model? Top bar showing all of Pat's pets. There were 8. Now some of his pets were cats. We know that 3 were cats. What we don't know is how many fish Pat owned. To solve this problem, you would use subtraction. 8 minus 3 equals 5. So the missing part of this bar model is 5. Pat owned 5 fish. See if you have extra time and you can write a bar model problem of your own.